Hello, and welcome to another episode of A Few Minutes with Marvin. I inspire those who aspire to make positive changes in their lives. And today I just want to bring some blessings, right? We go through our lives being so busy that we just forget to stop, right? And smell the roses, right? Enjoy the beauty that's all around you, right? If you're in the Northeast right now, the weather's really nice. It's February and it's probably in the high 40s, maybe 50s. Not a cloud in the sky. It feels like a summer day for me. I'm still doing my cold training, as you can see. I don't wear coats in the winter, but I saw this as an opportunity to just bring light to you, right? I want to shine a lot of light on you so that you can just open your eyes to see the beauty all around you. I mean, I preach, I talk a lot about being out in nature and the importance of grounding, but a lot of us can't get out in nature, right? This is our nature, right? Buildings and the streets and the loud noises. That's for some of us all we have, right? When you're limited and where you can get out, if you don't have a car, things like that. So just want to let you know that you can just be here now, even with this noise, right? And be mindful, right? Appreciate, the air, that's touching my skin, and listen to the beautiful birds that are chirping, right? Above and beyond the noise of the cars that are coming down the street, or anything else, any other noise, construction, pollution, whatever. Trucks with big engines. you can really get yourself into a state where you just block that all out and just be, right? Just focus on one thing, right? As you're walking, as you're sitting, as you're having your chai tea, just sit and block out that noise. Pick one thing that you want to focus on and be there, whether it's something you want to look at, whether it's something you want to hear, whether it's something you want to feel. If it's a nice warm breeze, sit there and imagine that breeze is all around you, right? It's taking over your body. You just enveloped in its beauty, because it's beautiful, right? The air that we breathe is beautiful. It's what gives us life. Listening to the birds chirp, right? Sometimes sing with them. That's what they want. We're all one. We should all be in harmony together. So you're sitting there, start whistling with the birds, right? It may sound silly, but it's so powerful, right? It's us being grateful for these things that we take for granted, right? This message is all about, don't take things for granted. Yeah, they're always going to be there. There's always going to be birds chirping. There's always going to be wind at your back. There's always going to be a nice small town, but there's also going to be a big truck, right? And a school bus driving by, and and there may be somebody who's not in the same mood that you are, that's going to send some vibrations your way that you don't want. You can block those out. It's all about your intention. How do you want to show up? I want to show up. I want to make this video. I want to be one with birds. I want to feel this beautiful air on my skin, and really just savor it and embody it, right? And yes, there's cars and trucks going, buses, but that's not going to bother me. That's not going to stop me from recording this video, because it's really important for you to know that you don't have to let anything else, any exterior noise, take you out of your peace. You can be peaceful everywhere and anywhere, regardless, right? Some of these sounds are created in big cities to just keep people in low vibrations. If you're mindful about that, you can block those, right? You can create a force field of protection around yourself, an energetic shield, and all that radiation, the 5G, the towers, the cell, and all that, all the noise and decibel levels just bounce off. I'm encouraging you to be in your own world. your own space. Pick a lane, right? It doesn't have to be all the time. You can aspire to make it all the time, but just for a few minutes, right? That's the point of my videos, right? Spend a few minutes with Marvin. Spend a few minutes with yourself, nature, right? And the environment. And you'll see a big difference in your attitude, in your mindset, in your mood. It really is beautiful and healing. So take a moment to heal yourself today. Spend time in nature, spend time wherever nature is for you, big city or not. And have an amazing day.